This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 12th of August. I'm Michael Groff. Yesterday in the valley, a hot and humid day, a high of 108 after a morning low of 82. This morning, we've had some showers and thunderstorms rumbling around. 800ths of an inch fell just a couple of hours ago at Sky Harbor. And we'll have that chance of showers, isolated thunder continuing through the mid-morning hours. Then mostly sunny skies should return, and temperatures should still climb well above the century mark. But what about the week ahead? Let's discuss as we look outside this morning here at 6:45 a.m. Mostly cloudy skies in the valley right now. A few isolated showers and storms out there. 86 degrees at Sky Harbor, but boy, it is sticky. It's tropical out. The dew point 70, relative humidity 59%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area this morning, upper 70s where we've had some rain-cooled air, some showers. Low and middle 80s elsewhere. Satellite shows a little cluster of showers and thunderstorms centered right over top of us. And we see that on the radar this morning. The heaviest rain right now appears to be falling over the south and southeast valley from around Sun Lakes over toward Chandler, heading toward Gilbert and Apache Junction. These showers and storms drifting to the northeast, so we'll be under the gun for the next couple of hours. Nothing overly heavy, but could see a good 1/10 of an inch. Maybe an isolated spot sees a little bit more than that. Here's the watch warning map. Flash flood watches parts of Oklahoma and Texas, heat advisories for the Houston-Galveston area and around Dallas-Fort Worth, and dense fog advisories in central Alabama. Meanwhile, in the Pacific Northwest, air quality alerts, red flag warnings, all related to the incredible fire danger that continues in the Cascades, the Sawtooth Mountains, and heading up into western Canada. On the convective outlook, few slight risk zones for severe storms, including across the western plains of Kansas, Nebraska, and South Dakota, as well as around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And from, that looks like about Scranton, Pennsylvania to Utica, New York today, another slight risk zone with marginal risks in some of the adjacent areas. As far as our weather, let's get into that right now as we delve into the models. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. High pressure getting flattened out, and as we go through the day today, the flow aloft turns from southerly to more southwesterly. And so moisture will still be around. We have some decent tropical moisture still to the south and southwest of us in association with the remnants of what was Hurricane Franklin. A humid day, partly sunny skies, isolated showers and thunderstorms around this morning, maybe redeveloping this afternoon. We will become mostly sunny by around noontime or so. Highs today, 101 to 104. Slight chance of showers and storms tonight, but I wouldn't really count on it. Especially after the morning storms, the atmosphere will probably be pretty worked over. We'll say a 10% chance, though. Lows tonight mainly in the 80s. Tomorrow, the flow continues to veer toward the west, so drier air comes in. I guess our chance of storms isn't zero, but I'd put it pretty low. Wouldn't count on it. Mostly sunny skies. Highs 99 to 103. On Monday, the troughing continues to pass north of Arizona, westerly flow. Much drier air comes in, lower humidity, that's the good news, and temperatures aren't going to be too bad for the middle part of August. Highs 101 to 105. Really the same thing on Tuesday, dry air, low humidity, highs 101 to 105. Same on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. Indications that high pressure trying to rebuild over the southern plains and maybe a little bit of moisture sneaks back into northern Mexico and the far southeast corner of our state, but we should stay dry every day this coming week. Here's a week from today. This is Saturday, the 19th of August. And just doesn't look like anything major going to change around here. Maybe a little bit of moisture trying to creep into the state, but the upper chart just doesn't look very favorable for a big surge of monsoon moisture, that's for sure. Here's Sunday, the 20th. Maybe a little bit more moisture comes in. The upper heights actually slightly below average. So this is kind of an interesting pattern. And the GFS continues to show a very active tropical regime going on in the eastern Pacific. And then here's the end of the forecast period, the day of the solar eclipse. This is Monday, the 21st of August. And this looks kind of like troughing beginning to set in once again, and the flow aloft would veer back toward the southwest, and drier air would once again return. So no major pushes of monsoon moisture anytime soon. And I guess I have to mention it. It's on the board and people will ask. So here we go. The GFS once again shows a rogue tropical system taking aim on the east coast of the United States, way out here toward the 21st of August. I will give you the same caution that I always do whenever we show this. This is 10 days out, and I bet that this system isn't even on the next model run, but just thought I'd show it to you since it's there. And since we're talking about the eclipse, what does our weather look like for that? Well, in terms of cloud cover, Really not much to speak of according to the GFS. Again, this is 10 days out, so a lot can and probably will change between now and then, but it looks like mostly sunny skies and pretty good weather to view the eclipse across most of Arizona. Yes, could see some isolated mountain storms, and that might preclude you from seeing it very well, but most of us should have a pretty good view. All right, temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And it looks like temperatures pretty much near normal for the middle and latter part of August. No major heat waves coming our way anytime soon. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Stay cool out there. Be safe. Have a great Saturday.